Can you imagine never having to vacuum again? Keep watching to find the best ways to transform your cleaning routine. Let's explore the top 3 robot vacuums that promise ease and efficiency. Number 1. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. It's the smart choice with advanced navigation. Number 2. The Roborock S7 MaxV. This one is the powerhouse, perfect for deep cleaning. Finally, number 3. The Shark AI Ultra Robot. It's the budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Each offers unique solutions tailored to your lifestyle. Hit the like button if you found this useful.